In this video, I show you how to make beautiful infinity patterns with Illustrator and AI. I use Midjourney for this. Here you can see my prompt. It is important to use the tile option. This will make Midjourney make it a seamless pattern. Copy and paste the image into Illustrator. Then go to Object, Pattern, and then Make. Give your pattern a name and then save it. Now delete the image used to create the pattern. I am going to use the pattern for a door sticker of 210 centimeters high by 83 cm wide. I will now make a rectangle in this size and then click on the pattern I just created. That's it. Did you learn something new? Please leave a like or follow for more.